Earth. So today our discussion about the Earth. So how old is of the Earth? Actual Earth age of Earth is Earth is 4.54 billion years. Okay, so 4.54 billion years actual age of the Earth. So now I discuss what is the shape, which types shape our Earth. You know that you have the knowledge about the Earth like a orange shape. Okay, it also called the orange shape. But actual shape of the Earth is oblate spheroid. Actual shape of the Earth oblate spheroid. Okay. Why it is called spheroid? Because the North Pole and South Pole, it is slightly flattened. That is why it is called spheroid shape. Oblate spheroid. Clear? So actual shape of the Earth, oblate spheroids, and it also called, it's like a orange shape. So Earth, on the Earth we can see different kinds of line, imaginary line. Okay, different kinds of imaginary line. Some line which are passing from the east to west with the circle with parallels each other. These are called latitude. Okay. Some imaginary line which are passing through the Earth east to west. We know the top of the top of the board. It is indicate with north direction. Bottom is south direction. Left is west and right is east. Each and every latitude which is parallel and there is a circle. Okay, so on imaginary line which are passing through the Earth from east to west and Earth divided into two equal half, that is called equator. It is indicate 0 degree. So which line divided the Earth to equal half, you can easily tell it equator. So here also we are get the definition of equator. So equator is an imaginary line which are passing through the Earth east to west and it is divided the Earth to equal half. That is called equator. Another things are there. Another important latitude, 23.5 degree north latitude, which are passing through the east to west and which is present as a parallel of equator. This imaginary line we are called Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. Okay. Another thing there, same opposite line which are passing through the Earth east to west and it indicates with the 23.5 degrees south. These latitudes we are called Tropic of Capricorn. Clear? Another important latitudes are there, that is indicate 66.5 degree north. This imaginary line we are called Arctic Circle. and the southern part of the earth where we had seen on imaginary line. This imaginary line we are called Antarctic Circle. It also indicates 66.5 degree south. That is clear. These are five important latitudes are there. The first is equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. Clear? So understood this? Latitudes, important latitudes. And the things are there. Now we will discuss longitudes. What is which line we are called longitudes? An imaginary line which are passing through the North Pole to South Pole. This imaginary line we are called longitudes. Okay? Clear? Longitude. An imaginary line which are passing through the earth from east to west, from north to south pole. This line we are called longitude. So that is indicator 0 degree. This 0 degree longitude we are called prime meridian. It is passing through the pole observatory in Greenwich near the London. This line, imaginary line we are called prime meridian. Okay, that is called prime meridian. It is also known as, okay, it is also known as understood? That is prime meridian. So prime meridian help us to find the time. Okay, so we can easily say it, the prime meridian and the latitudes, they had formed a cross section on the globe. This cross section we are called grid. So grid is a network. Grid is a network of, what is this? Grid is a network of latitudes and longitudes. So grid help us to find the location of a place, and longitude help us to find the time in a place. Clear? Next is globe. Globe is a true model of the earth. Actual globe is a true model of the earth. So which things we had seen on the globe? We had on the globe we had seen the different kinds of landform. Different kinds of landform, ocean, seas, everything we can find on the land, on the globe. Okay, so globe is a true model of the earth. On an imaginary line which are passing through the North Pole to South Pole, on the through the globe. This imaginary line we are called axis. An imaginary line which are passing through the globe from north pole to south pole. This imaginary line we are called axis. Axis present with a 23.5 degree angle. Okay. So axis which help to rotating of the earth or globe. Clear? These are important topics which discuss on these chapters. Okay. So what things today we have learned? What is globe? Number of latitudes, number of longitudes, prime meridian, what is globe, what is grids. Okay, up to this, thank you, have a nice day.